Welcome. For over 100 years, the Hinsperger name has been synonymous with quality and consistent technical innovation. From the leather harnesses and protective covers we made long ago to today's strong and attractive polyethylene pool covers, the materials and usage have indeed changed, but our high standards and dedication to excellence have remained true and constant. With plant facilities in Canada and the United States, HPI is one of North America's leading manufacturers of a full range of pool cover products. As a result, we know that your pool is a focal point for family and friends, a welcoming attraction for young and old alike. It represents a significant investment, adding beauty and sparkle to your home. And there's no better way to complement that investment than with a durable, attractive pool cover. Made from premium quality materials and designed to provide years of protection, you can put your trust in our product. The following information will provide all the features, measuring, and installation guidance you will require to install a pool covering system tailored to fit snugly and securely over any pool and any shape. With the purchase of one of our superior quality pool covers, you are protecting the substantial investment you've already made in your pool. Regardless of the size or shape of swimming pool you have, we can provide an aesthetically pleasing custom-fit solution delivering years of carefree use in all types of climate. Our pool covers are available in either 5x5 or 3x3 foot grid pattern for the maximum in fit, appearance, and longevity. They are also available in non-permeable materials, ranging from 6 to 14-ounce weights, with or without center drains. This durable and lightweight covering solution protects your pool against debris and extreme weather. The porous mesh allows melting snow, ice, or water to drain into your pool, but keeps larger debris out. Each pool cover is supported by a crisscrossed grid of webbing on the top and the bottom of the cover. This ensures that the cover fits snugly and stretches smoothly across your pool, limiting intrusion and adding superior break strength. All web seams are triple stitched with premium quality outdoor thread for maximum durability. Extra heavy thread is used at the intersection of perimeter and cross straps to ensure maximum strength at stress points. Brass tie-down fittings fit flush to your pool decking when not in use. Spring-loaded tie-downs are made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel and exceed industry standards. Every pool is different. Our form-fitting designs can accommodate any size or shape of pool, including specific landscaping features such as statuary, waterfalls, and spas. Specially designed rub strips are sewn to the bottom of each cover to reduce wear and abrasion on the cover, as well as on the pool deck and coping. We also strengthen the cover with sewn patches under all step corners for added durability. Easy off-season removal and storage. All our covers are backed by industry-leading warranties. Each cover has a specific serial number sewn in. Use this convenient number to order a new cover if it is ever damaged. We can make an exact duplicate so you do not have to remeasure your pool or re-drill your deck. A pool covering system that is durable and attractive. With a variety of colors and grid patterns to choose from, it complements any pool and landscaping scheme. Provides year-round pool protection, including short-term vacation closures if you're away, while keeping the pool operational. Reduces off-season maintenance and cleanup. How do you go from this to this? The first step you can take to cover your pool investment is to follow the detailed measurement instructions. We'll carefully guide you step by step to ensure your pool cover fits accurately and securely, giving you years of use and peace of mind. Measurement and installation is made quicker and easier with the aid of a helper. The following steps will guide you in measuring your pool. They apply to rectangular or irregular shaped pools. Use the form provided to input the measurements as required. First, establish a line of reference from which all subsequent measurements will be taken. To do this, choose a point 4 to 6 feet from the edge of the pool along the pool's length. Measure out a line approximately 15 to 20 feet long, running parallel to the side of the pool and centered along its length. This reference line should be shorter than the overall length of the pool. One end of this line will be point A, the other point B. Install stakes to mark points. In order to accurately measure the pool, you will be required to measure the distance from a number of points around the edge of the pool to both points A and B. To do this, establish the first measurement point along the pool's edge, where the coping meets the water. Mark this point with chalk as point 1. Measure 2 feet along the edge of the pool and mark your next measuring point, point 2. Continue to mark reference points at 2-foot intervals around the entire perimeter of the pool, including any obstructions like slides, diving rocks, waterfalls, or spillover spas. To ensure greater accuracy, make your reference points at approximately 6-inch to 12-inch increments, wherever there is a pronounced curve or bend in the shape of the pool. Important: if you have any obstructions on your pool deck within 12 inches of the edge of the pool, such as slide legs, ladders, spillover spa, waterfall, etc., measure their position carefully. For example, if you have steps leading down into the pool, establish measuring points at both edges of the pool where the steps enter the pool area, as well as points back from the pool around the steps. Begin measuring your pool systematically, measuring the distance between point A and point 1, then point A to point 2, and so on until you have taken measurements around the entire pool perimeter. Make sure you note these figures under column A on the measurement chart provided. Next, repeat this process, but by measuring from point B to point 1, point B to point 2, etc., until you have measured around the pool once again. Note all your distances in column B. As an added precaution to ensure accuracy, measure the distance between two opposite points along the length and width of the pool and mark those distances on the chart. Complete the measuring chart with all measurements and forward it to your dealer. Make sure to include a schematic drawing of your pool in the upper left corner, showing the location of the A to B reference line, as well as any areas where the surrounding pool deck is less than 3 feet from the edge of the pool. Accurate measurement ensures that your pool cover will be manufactured to exactly fit the shape and dimensions of your pool, as well as any obstructions immediately around it. Once you've opened the packaging, carefully check to make sure all the parts have arrived with the cover. The quantity of brass anchors, brass insert screws, strap adjustment buckles, and springs should equal the number of straps on your cover. The notched rod included in the packaging is used to connect the springs to the anchors and screws during installation and also during off-season removal. You will require the following tools to complete the installation for concrete decks: a 3/4-inch concrete drill bit, 7/8 drill bit for interlocking brick, heavy-duty hammer drill, metal tape measure, piece of chalk, hammer. Installation of your new cover is simple and straightforward. Remove any obstructions like ladders or diving boards before proceeding. To begin, the cover has to be temporarily secured to the deck surface. Pails of water are recommended as the safest and most effective. This enables you to make adjustments to the cover as necessary. Do not use rocks or any other objects that could damage your pool. Unfold the new pool cover and position it over the top of the pool, ensuring that the protective rub strips face down towards the deck. Orient the cover so that there is an equal amount of overlap all around the edge of the pool. There will be sagging of cover material into the pool, but the overlap at this stage is approximately 4 to 8 inches. Prior to drilling anchor points, check again to make sure you have an even overlap around the entire pool perimeter. Select the longest strap running along the middle of the cover. Following the line of the strap, measure 4 inches back from the end of the strap. Mark this point with chalk. Drill a hole in the pool deck to a depth of 1 5/8 inches. Clean debris from the hole. Insert anchor and tap it into the hole. Turn brass insert screw into the anchor, leaving about 3/8 inches above the deck surface. For all the straps, make sure the adjustment buckles are used with the edges pointing downward. Feed the strap up through the first slot in the buckle, then down through the center slot. Next, feed the strap through the squared end of a spring and continue up through the center slot again, then down through the last. Attach the strap to the anchor. Repeat this step for the opposite end of the strap. Select the 2 straps on either side of the installed strap. Follow step 5 again to secure the cover along its length. Next, select the center strap crossing the width of the pool. Again, repeat step 5 to attach straps to the anchors. At this stage, you will have anchored the cover along its middle axis across the width and length of the cover. This will take some of the sagging cover out of the water. To continue the installation, select the 2 straps across the width on either side of the installed longest strap. Measure, mark, drill, and attach the straps as per step 5. Continue to install the remainder of the straps, working out from the middle intersection until all are anchored. Along any straight sections of the pool, measure back approximately 24 to 34 inches from the edge of the pool, depending on the width of your decking. Then mark and drill your anchor points. This will align the anchor points along the straight pool side. Your installation is now complete. Anytime you wish to remove your cover, please follow these simple steps. The task is made easier if you have someone to help you. With the notched rod, place it over the top of one of the brass insert screws. Make sure that the protruding tab at the end of the rod is on the side of the screw nearest the pool. Turn the rod 180 degrees or a half turn. Leaning the top of the rod toward the pool disengages the spring, and it will slide up the rod a small distance. Disconnect the strap. Repeat this procedure around the pool until one end of each strap is disconnected. The opposite end of each strap is then removed by hand. Remove the cover, clean it, and make sure it is dry. Place it in the storage bag. Store it out of the sun and where it is not accessible to any rodents. Use the supplied Allen key to turn all the brass screws down into the anchors so that they are flush with your deck. To prevent dirt and debris from damaging the plug threads, it is recommended that the screws are cleaned beforehand. Wash out the plug and the surrounding area. Your cover storage process is now complete. By purchasing a pool cover domestically manufactured by HPI, you're choosing to protect your investment with the best in the industry. We appreciate your business.